bit warmer today, just outside making chicken wire cloches, just to cover the more unusual snowdrops so I don't slice into them. And I've just heard a mistle thrush, which I've never heard before. Merlin app just kept saying that's what it was. Fantastic. That's what the cloches look like. Just makes a big difference if I make them shorter or tall. See, that's a stumpy one, so I'll cut the wire in half. So the roll that I bought is not, I think it's 40 centimetres or something. It just stops me, as I say, chopping up stuff that I don't want to chop up. Get back over.